how are you all? Hope all of you are fine, enjoying also, learning properly and enjoying your videos also, right? So I'm here with the second part of your English chapter 3. Already you had gone through the first part of video of this chapter, glimpses of the past, right? I'm here with the second part, second video of that chapter, glimpses of the past. This is a pictorial glimpses of the history of our country from 1757 to 1857. During this time period, this is a pictorial glimpses of the history of our country from 1757 to 1857. These pictures and speech bubbles will help you to understand the events which led India to First War of Independence in 1857. The chapter starts with the picture of an opening function of with the song ए मेरे वतन के लोगों, हिंदी देशभक्ति गीत by Lata Mangeshkar, by Lata ji. In this picture, we can see Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri and Mrs. Indira Gandhi. They were there to enjoy the, not enjoy, to witness the function, right? This chapter covers 9 main incidents of the First War of Independence. In the first video I told you incidents, this chapter covers small important events or incidents, right? So this chapter covers total 9 main incidents of the First War of the Independence. The first one is the martyrs. The word martyr means who dies in the war for the motherland. The famous singer Lata Mangeshkar is singing a patriotic song "Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo" at the function in New Delhi. Jawaharlal Nehru reminded Gandhiji, Bhagat Singh, Netaji and many other freedom fighters. They were remembering, they are sitting there, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri and Indira Gandhi. They were reminding the sacrifices of our freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Netaji and many other freedom fighters. All are listening the song including Jawaharlal Nehru and Srimati Indira Gandhi. This song is very close to every Indian as this song dedicates to all the martyrs. This song is very close to every Indian as this song dedicates to all the martyrs. The company's conquest. Next incident is the company's conquests. With the superior power of weapons, the British East India Company were extending their power in the 18th century or 18th century India. You know that British East India Company, they came here to settle over here, to run their business, and they were not behaving with Indian, they were behaving like slave to Indians, and they came to the motive that they will expand their business and earn and rule over India and Indians, right? The East India Company conquered India by using their superior weapons, guns and diplomacy. उनके जो गन्स जो हुआ करता था, वेपन्स जो हुआ करता था उससे, और उनके डिप्लोमेसी जो एकदम चतुरता से जो उनका प्लान था, है ना, कहते हैं ना धूर्त, जो चालाकी से हम लोगों को छल से इंडियन पीपल को बेवकूफ़ बनाया और उन्हीं को अपने बश में ले लिया, उनके कब्जे में ले लिया और उन्हीं से काम कराते गए, उन्हीं से काम करा के मुनाफा लूटते गए, अपना हक जताते गए एंड दे earned a lot but behaved as slaves. The people were not happy and no peace were there among people because of constant flight. So it's quite natural, people were not happy, they were unhappy because of this unhappiness environment, because of that conflicts, हमेशा द्वंद्व होते रहते थे. And among us also many were doing for them, many were against for them. So because of that fighting was also there, conflicts were also there. So because of that the situation, the environment was not healthy and always confliction was there. The British captured Indians' power and made Indians their slaves. इंडिया के कैप्चर कर लिया पावर एंड उन्होंने हमारे ऊपर स्लेव की तरह बिहेव किया, नौकरों की तरह हम लोगों को बिहेव किया, हम लोगों से काम करवा लिया और हमारे देश में आके अपना हक जताया, अपना पावर दिखा के हम लोगों को लूटते गए. टीपू सुल्तान fought with them to make India free from the torture of British and sacrificed his life. So इन्हीं में से बहुत लोग जो हैं जो हमारे लोगों को बचाना चाहे ब्रिटिश रूल से, and as they were suffering with the torture of British, some freedom fighter, they sacrificed their life for the sake of this India, अपने मदरलैंड के लिए, अपने भारतवासियों के लिए युद्ध लड़ा और उनके उद्देश्य में, उनके स्मरण में ये लता जी जो गाना गा रहे थे और भी जो फ्रीडम फाइटर्स थे वो भी अपना लाइफ को सैक्रिफाइस कर चुके हैं. दे ऑल्सो सैक्रिफाइड देयर लाइफ एंड among them that Tipu Sultan was also there. Tipu Sultan, he also tried to save to free India from the torture or from the rule of British, and he also finally died, and this way he sacrificed his life for the motherland. Some people thought the white men, the British people are good and worked for them, but some people felt that they became slaves of them. किसी किसी को लगा अच्छा है हम उनके फॉर में काम करें, हमें कुछ मिलेगा, हम अच्छे से जी पाएंगे, और कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं उनके नो, दे आर नॉट गुड, दे विल बी removed from India, and because of that always confliction was there. So this much only. So incident 2 I have just completed, incident 1 and incident 2. So in our next video we'll continue. We have to complete 9 incidents of this chapter. So next I will come with the next incident followed by. Okay, thank you, take care, bye.